everyone, it is officially holiday day.
Just coming up to 8 o'clock, we finished our meal, which was absolutely fantastic. What do you think, Ryan? Was it good?
Yep.
It was. Baby's come in. Where's she gone? Can't see her. There she is. Hello, baby. So we are going to pay the bill and we're going to start getting back towards the car park for our stealth camp. Well, we've had a fabulous meal and we are working our way home now.
We've got a pizza now.
Well, what? You want a pizza?
Pizza.
What do you want?
We'll get a pizza.
We will not get a pizza because we're full. Everybody's looking at us now in the pizza place. Yeah, we've had a great meal and we're going to head off now back to our stealth site where we're parked up pretty much for free, but I will take it. We've paid £1.50, which is the first time I've ever paid for a parking spot. It's not too bad, is it? This is Llangollen. Beautiful place. Now, we did promise the boy an ice cream, and I cannot believe that the ice cream shop is still open. I'll have one. So here we are in Sweet Daisies, and we're ordering ice cream at what, 7 o'clock at night? 8 o'clock at night. So this is Sweet Daisies, and I've had, what have I had, babe? Rocky Road. Ryan hasn't picked yet. What are you having, Ryan? Ryan's having chocolate, baby.
Mint chocolate chip.
Mint chocolate chip. And this guy behind the place is called what? Jimmy.
And there is your ice cream.
Oh my lord, look at that. That's superb.
Yeah,
thank you, Jimmy.
One way. No. Another one way.
Cheers, everyone. Wow. So the caterpillar's gone. What's happened to that? I'm going to start a campaign to return the caterpillar. Unbelievable. Just returning to our stealth campsite. Practically free. As I said, I did pay £1.50. So, oh, I choked on my ice cream there, my Rocky Road. There's Ryan. There's the van in the distance. Stealth camper there. These two have gone. I was talking to them earlier. They've gone. And looking around the car park, there's no other stealthers.
Exactly that one.
Just this one. Superb. Arrived back at base. Just finishing the ice creams. Now we're going to get into bed because we're absolutely shattered. I've had too many Guinnesses.
Really hard.
Some of us have been what?
Working really hard.
Working really hard. Oh yeah, there's a funny story. They wanted cash when we got to pay for the Indian. I'd got no cash on me, but luckily, baby had £100 with her. So you picked that up, haven't you, baby?
Yeah.
So every Clyde.
But then who paid for the ice cream?
He paid for the ice cream. Well, I offered to pay for the ice cream, didn't I, Monkey?
After I was practically in the middle of paying.
Yeah. After you'd pretty much paid, to be honest. But there we go. Bedtime now. Catch you in a bit. Right, let's get Cat sorted. Rinse this. Oh, I've got hiccups. I'll rinse this off under the tap and that'll be Cat sorted. Right, Cat. Bit of naan bread starter. I hope you enjoy. Nice. Another bit of naan bread. Superb. Then I've got some lamb for you. I'm going to hold that because you'll try and eat that in one lump. So you are going to work for that, girl.
Oh, she just did you over.
No, she didn't.
You did.
She basically took half of it.
Actually took the whole piece that you had.
And this has been washed off under the tap because we don't like her to have too many spices. Not that she's ever had an upset stomach. Last piece. Oh, look at that power in that. Good. Good girl. Oh, I've got terrible hiccups. Ow. Bit my finger. Ow, 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 ow. All gone. And that's Kat enjoying the night tea. Right, we're all in. We're all arguing for space and blankets. This is this is the norm now. Everybody argues. Oh, you've got too much blanket. Oh, how much space do you need? Blah, 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 blah. And then, as a male, the leader of the pack, I get accused of being drunk and not compliant.
You are drunk.
There you go. There's one accusation.
You've drank like 10.
Baby's agreeing.
20, 25.
But as the leader of the pack, I don't feel as I'm drunk. I feel as that nobody's going to know 60s music to understand that. Rum, rum, I'm the leader of the pack. Amazing. Right, we're going to say goodnight. It's the Fletcher family pretending to be the Field family on YouTube in Llangollen. See you in the morning. See what adventures we get up to tomorrow. Good night, all. Good morning. 7 o'clock. Ryan's already on the game. Baby's not playing the game. And I'm on my best game. You getting up, people? Nope. See, there's plenty of room in here. Thank you. Right, we'll have another half hour. We'll have another half hour before we get up. Right. It's been half an hour. Let's have a look at the cameras outside. Oh, not a lot of people in the car park. We'll have to get a ticket today to last us for enough time to cook breakfast. And then we'll be on our way. Day 2. Here we are, it's probably windy. Stealth camper there. Stealth camper there. Not so stealthy there. And we are there. River looks good. Crikey, that's bright. So we're going to get some breakfast on now. Lovely. Everybody's cold this morning, so we fired up the Chinese heater. And we will be toasty in about
5 seconds.
5 seconds, Ryan says. It's more like about 2 minutes. So that's that noise you can hear. Then when that's pumping out heat, it all settles down and goes quiet again.
I can't hear the kettle.
Baby can't hear the kettle. I think that might be a hint. I'll do it. Voila! 2 coffees. Does it get any better than this? Sound of the river. Stealth camping on a car park. Nice, Ryan. Not too much because Cat gets a bit sick when we drive. It's like a sausage, didn't you, Cat? Look at it. Everything's a massive race. It's like watching Anthony eat.
So what do you think, babe?
Well, I've just got the pastry.
Right, so it's back in the van for us and we're going to head off to a waterfall at Pistyll Rhaeadr. Here we are, guys, we've arrived at Pistyll Rhaeadr waterfall. I think it's Wales' tallest waterfall. We'll have a quick look at that, we won't be staying long. Got toilets here, that's 40 pence a go, it was worth it. And there's a cafe here as well. There's a few things to do, there's a few walks around. You can walk to the top of the waterfall, that takes about 20 minutes. We'll probably just stick around to the bottom. So here we are, guys, at the highest waterfall in Wales. Absolutely amazing. Don't forget to check out that channel, the Field family. Awesome. They're in St. Ives the other day. I've just watched their video. Brilliant. What an amazing place this is. You've got to come and experience this, Anthony, if you haven't done before. Bring the Field family. Absolutely beautiful. So you can get to the top of the waterfall if you follow that path there, and then up there, and then it goes there, and then you cross the field and you're at the top of the waterfall. Today, the Fletcher family will not be going to the top of the waterfall. So we've come to the end of this epic adventure. We've been to Llangollen, had a look at the river, and we're at Pistyll Rhaeadr at the moment, and it's been absolutely fantastic. Really enjoyed it. We've stealth camped. I have paid £1.50, but we got there at 5 o'clock and it wasn't free till 6, so we needed to park up and get sorted, so we had to pay that hour. But there you go, we could have hung around and done it for nothing. This video is dedicated to the Field family. They're a great YouTube family from Shrewsbury in Shropshire, where I'm from. I thought I'd give them a break and do this little video dedicated to them. Don't ask me what the "Where's Larry" is about, because I text him and I still don't really know. But there you go. You've been watching Steve the Transit Camper, overnight stealthing in Llangollen, and a little visit to Pistyll Rhaeadr. Catch you later. Thanks for watching.